Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Tamara and I'm living simple, one day at a time. Good morning, you guys. Happy New Year. Woo! We made it, you guys. 2022. That's right. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this channel. I am super excited about 2022. You guys, it is going to be awesome. We're going to start the year off right. In the comment section below, I want you guys to leave me a question. We're going to do a Q&A, you guys. On Friday, we are going to do a Q&A. You ask me the questions, and I am going to try to answer as many of them as I can. Okay, next thing up today is I have a package that came in the mail for me, and it came from a very good friend of mine. Her name is Melanie, and she has an Etsy store called S as in Sam, 4, the number 4, E as in Edward, Boutique. She sent me this package, you guys. Isn't it pretty? Pretty pink? Because she knows me, y'all. She knows that I like pink. All right. Oh, look. Tamara of Belle Farm. This is so cute, you guys. Guys, look. Look at that. Isn't that so cute? Thank you very much. Oh, my gosh. Oh, she says, Tamara, love ya. Thank you so much for your order. I hope you enjoy everything. Oh, guys, she's giving you guys a gift. So if your followers tell me in the message to seller field of my Etsy store that they're from Belle Farm, they will get a little pot of lip sugar or matching lip balm pot for free. Also, yeah, free shipping, you guys. Free. Let's see. Oh, a little thank you card. Look. Isn't that cute? She said, I wrapped yours in snowflake paper because I know how much you love the snow. Love, Melanie. I go nuts over snow, you guys. So let's open it, you guys. I'm so excited. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. She took such time with this. Oh my gosh. You guys. Woo. Oh, it's all falling out, you guys. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Okay, so we've got, and her Etsy store stands for something for everyone. This is a lip gloss. Isn't it cute, guys? Look at the colors in it. And this one is lip balm. So, and I'm going to get the little description out. And this one is a lip gloss. Woo woo. Okay. And y'all know I don't do makeup, but I do love me some lip gloss. Oh my gosh, y'all. That made me hungry for chocolate. That's definitely the Nutella. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You guys. Super, super creamy. Oh, I love that. Oh, I like it. I like this one. I like this one a lot. Rose petals, pigments, powders for color. Oh, that's this one. Okay, this one is the lip oil. We just used the lip oil. And then this is the lip gloss. So, y'all. This is so creamy, y'all. Oh, I love this. And I love this one. This one's got rose petals in it. I don't think you're going to be able to see it through the video, but let me see if I can get it up close. I don't know. But there's rose petals in that. Isn't that cute, y'all? I love that. That is so good, you guys. Look at that. Ooh, 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 ooh. Love it. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Love it. And these are the freebies. So you go to her Etsy store and you buy any of her products. It's free shipping, free. And if you put in the little message to seller box that you're from Belle Farm, she is going to include a little pot of lip sugar or a matching lip balm pot for free. So, you guys, this is so awesome. Please go over to the Etsy store and show my girl some love. Order some of these great lip balms. Tell me what you think of them. I love them. Y'all, my lips ain't never been so soft. Thank you very much, my girlfriend Melanie. I appreciate it so very much. Love the packaging. Loved everything about it. Anyway, enough chit chat. We have got some work to do. Even though it's raining outside, I need to get some of this work done. We are going to take a trip to Ikea during this video as well, because I have to go to Ikea and pick up a rod that is for my coffee bar. I'm going to give you a little bit of a walk with me through Ikea, but it's not going to be anything major because, you know, we got to get back here and we got to get busy. Okay, guys, it is raining. I love the rain, so me being out here and being able to hear it on the car and everything is really nice. So I got a text message today that my son Alex is coming over. Him and his girlfriend Caitlin are coming over. So looking forward to that. So I want to get up here, get this done, and get back just as soon as possible. We made it, guys. We're at Ikea. Made it to Ikea. That's a pretty color, y'all. So is that green color. Ooh, I like that. I like that color, y'all. Where is it? Usually they tell you what color that is. I'm gonna go try to find it. There's the color. I like that. This is 216 square feet, y'all. That's about the size of my living room. I bet some of y'all got one like this. I wouldn't know what to do with myself in a kitchen this big. This is the bracket we came for. Now, I love these chairs right here, y'all. Don't they look so cozy? Okay, now I do like this. Look at this, y'all. Oh, I like this. I love that. Look at this sink. Farmhouse sink, y'all. Love it. This is about the size of my house, y'all. Love this door. Love the curtains. I love this, y'all. I don't know what color that is, but it's a pretty color. We had one of their Christmas trees last year. There's the info. I like these sofas, y'all. I think I'd like to get those. And you know, I was worried about having my small little chair beside my sofa, but it looks good in here, y'all. Yeah. That's my room for sure. That's a dark room, y'all. I ain't gonna say I hate it though, but it's dark. So this is what I'm looking for. It doesn't look the same as the one I used to have, but I do still like it, so gotta find that. In a man's bedroom, y'all. Look at this bedroom. This matches that other room over there. Hi. I like the brick. That one's super cute. Love the shiplap. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is my dream bed. I love those pictures. I love that, y'all. Look at this picture, y'all. It's got a step and a little door. Is that not the cutest idea? That is bathroom. Oh, hi, y'all. Look, and it goes to the other side. I have found my new bedroom, y'all. Put this back on. Time to go shopping, y'all. I did take the stairs, even though my niece said, no. I like these jars with the lids. These. Look at these new covers they've got. Literally anytime Wayne and I want to change out what our bed looks like, all you have to do is come up here and just get the cover. I like this one. I like that one too, y'all. Look at that. I'm contemplating this one. It's $39.99 and it comes with all these pictures already framed and everything. You guys, I really like that. It's pretty. This is the rosemary that's on my kitchen cabinet. $5. I'm gonna get this one, you guys. Look. Don't you think that one would be pretty on that bookcase? $5. Sold. Wayne and I had this bed. We paid more than $114 for it. But then Wayne proceeded to tell me that he don't like footboards on the end of the bed. So, yeah, you could have told me that years ago. Only thing we got. Unfortunately, they did not have the rack that I came for, but that's okay because they don't sell the exact same one anymore. And while I was in there, I went to Amazon.com and they have it. So I didn't have to drive all the way up here into the city to get it. I'll just order it from Amazon and have them deliver it to me. So I'm always aggravated when I drive an hour to the city and then they don't have stuff in stock, but it is what it is. So it's all good. It is all good. I chew like a cow, y'all. Anybody ever tell y'all that? That when you're chewing gum, you chew like a cow? Yeah, I got told that all the time as a kid. Been chewing like a cow ever since. But it's all good because it's that's what makes me me. start seeing all those cow fields. You know, we almost home, y'all. I sure am glad that y'all decided to come along for a drive today and go up to Ikea. That was a lot more fun taking y'all along than it was for me to just go up there by myself, even though I didn't accomplish what I went up there for. But that's okay. It's all right. Doesn't mean that we can't get it. Just means we got to get it a different way. That's all. This farm over here on the right, I just love it. I love this one, and I love this one. This one is the huge one over here on the left. Y'all have seen them before. If y'all go back on my videos, y'all have seen them before. But yeah, I love them. I love those farms. That's how I know I'm getting close to home. I'm gonna start seeing cows. I wish I could have some cows. I wouldn't even know how to take care of cows, y'all. But don't think I wouldn't try. Well, thanks for coming along, guys. This is all we got. Yeah, I like that. Cute. For the nourishment of my body. May everything I do and say bring more glory and honor to you always. In Christ's name I pray. Amen. In Psalms 5, verse 7, it says, "Because of your unfailing love, I can enter your house. I will worship at your temple with deepest awe. Lead me in the right path, O Lord. But let all who take refuge in you rejoice. Let them sing joyful praises forever. Spread your protection over them, that all who love your name may be filled with joy. For you bless the godly, O Lord. You surround them with your shield of love." Isn't that just awesome, guys? So after I came back from Ikea yesterday, my son Alex came over, and you guys, we just had the nicest visit. So I didn't really get anything else accomplished yesterday afternoon because we had visitors. Now, it's really important to stop what you're doing and entertain those folks. Welcome them into your home and spend time with them. Just like when I invite you over to visit with me, it's about you. It's about making you feel comfortable and making you feel welcome. And my plans are just plans, they're just, what I would like to do if I get the chance to do it today. But if I don't, because something or someone comes in my path that I I need to fellowship with or spend time with, then that becomes the most important thing. I don't make New Year's resolutions. I don't put so much emphasis on the first day of the new year. I feel like I should always be trying to be better than I was yesterday. So I don't wait until a brand new year to say, okay, it's going to be a brand new me and I'm going to eat better. I'm going to exercise more. I just feel like so much pressure was put on me when I would do those kind of things. And I made New Year's resolutions for years and never successfully completed any of them, you guys. Now, the next 50 years of my life, I'm not doing that. I'm trusting God. I'm believing that He has a plan for my life, and it's a plan for good and not bad. It's a plan to prosper me and not hurt me. And so I just, like I said, I just spend every day trying to just be just that little bit better than I was the day before. I don't always read my Bible. I don't always pray. I don't always eat what I'm supposed to eat. I don't always exercise. I don't always do all those things. But I'm not beating myself up over it either, you guys. I'm just not. Because I think found was the expectations I was putting on myself was causing me to become depressed and miserable. And I did not like it. I did not like it, y'all. And I said, you know what? That's not what God would want me to do. And so I'm just not going to do that anymore. So I don't put expectations on myself. I know what God says. I am who God says I am. And I am capable of doing what God says I'm capable of doing. And so, yeah, y'all, no New Year's resolutions for this chickie. Nope, just don't happen. I have things that I would like to get accomplished in my home. There are things I would like to get accomplished on my body. There are things that I would like to get accomplished, in my finances and things like that. But I will do them all trusting God in all of it. And, I just keep living simple one day at a time. I just take it one day at a time, y'all. And, like this morning is a good morning. I got up. I've read my word. I've spent some time with the Lord. I'm eating what I'm supposed to be eating to help with my blood sugar. My coffee is black. I don't have anything in it. And I have limited myself to 1 cup of coffee only until I am able to drink at least 4 bottles of water. After I drink the 4 bottles of water, then if I want another cup of coffee or a tea or something like that, I can have that after. So yeah, those are just a couple of little things that I'm doing today, y'all. I'm doing it today. I can't guarantee I'm going to do it tomorrow, and I know I didn't do it yesterday. But today is the present. It's a gift from God. It's the present. And that's what we need to worry about. The past is history. It's history. Can't do nothing with it, y'all. And the future, it belongs to God. So I've got here and the now. And I trust that no matter what happens today, God's got me. And that's all that matters. That's all that matters. I have not put any expectations on myself that, are going to make me feel bad about myself or make me feel bad about my situation or my circumstances just because I didn't complete those things. So with that being said, I am going to take y'all on a little walk. And then we've got to tackle this wall, y'all, because it's looking empty and I would love to have some pictures hung on there. So I'm going to do that. Something else, y'all, my nose is itching like there's no tomorrow. Allergies, y'all, allergies. So with that being said, thank you so much, you guys, for joining me for breakfast this morning. I just enjoy our talks, and I enjoy you being here with me, sitting, having a cup of coffee, eating some oatmeal, and sharing God's word. I just wish that each and every one of you could actually be sitting across from me. I got my oatmeal finished. We've spent some time with the Lord. My coffee's almost empty. So it's time to stop procrastinating and get to working on that wall. Come on, y'all. Let's do this. Ooh, it's nice out here, y'all. A little chilly, but nice. Come on, let's take our walk. It rained, it rained, it rained. I'm so glad I got all of those leaves up, y'all. Got some new rocking chairs, look. I think I'm gonna put them around back though. Got them from Facebook Marketplace, sure did. $25 a piece. Yep, ooh. 10's down. Blowed them over. But I got them the other day for my lean-to. See it? See it? Look, I give y'all a better view of it than I gave myself. Fork in the road. Do we go to the left or do we go to the right? Well, I like the right, so that's where we will go. I don't know if y'all can hear. I want you to listen. I want you to be very quiet and listen and see if you can hear. I hope that my video picks it up. I don't know if y'all can hear it or not, but the church. The church is ringing its bells and it plays music, y'all. Every Sunday morning you can come out here into the woods and you can listen to the church bells. So if you're hearing music in the background, besides my neighbor's dog, you can hear the church bells ringing, y'all. I'm sweating to beat the band, but also, let me just tell y'all this. These pants, they have like some type of, I don't know what you call it, spandex in them, and I have to keep pulling on them, y'all. That ain't gonna work for me today. So when I get back to the house, I'm probably gonna put on shorts because it is nice out here right now. I can't imagine that it would snow or anything like that because it's just so nice out here. So I may have to change my clothes, y'all, especially if I'm gonna be doing some work and moving around because, you know, menopause, y'all, menopause. Come on, let's finish this hike. Good walk. Fresh air. Woo, y'all, I am hot. Changed my clothes, put on a t-shirt. My desk is a mess. Y'all gonna have to excuse me. Miss Melanie's lip gloss, y'all. Oh, I'm going to spend a few minutes this morning checking y'all's comments, hearing from my friends. Get excited when I'm getting ready to see who said hey this morning. So I just came from the barn and I got my sander and my little, because Wayne said to use the bigger spackles thing. But look what I found, y'all. Look what I found. That's right, from Ikea. Don't say it, y'all. Just don't say it. I did order one from Amazon, but I'm gonna have Amazon cancel that order. But now I can install my little thing that I bought, so cool. It does work a little better, don't it? So there you go, guys. And this is exactly why I do not like to use any kind of nails on my walls. So we're going to let this all dry, nice and dry. We're going to sand it down, and then we're going to put a fresh coat of paint on this wall, and then we'll be ready to hang our pictures. I'm going to do this next. And like I said, I like that better than just the hooks because I can evenly space the mugs out and stuff. So I really like that a lot, and we're good to go. And the wall's looking good, y'all. Look, it's already starting to dry. So just a few more, about another hour, we can sand it down and we can put pictures up there. It looks really small on that wall actually, but I do like it. I think it's really pretty. I do plan on adding a couple of more of these Billy Jacob prints because I really like them a lot. That is going to do it for this video. I just want to say thank you so much for stopping by. It has been a real pleasure to have you here today. Remember that if you want to ask me a question that will be answered on Friday's video, question and answer video, just put it in the comments below. So don't be upset if I don't answer your question in the actual comments, because we're going to save those. We're going to ask them in the video on Friday. And yeah, I think that the pictures look great. The wall came out great. Everything's good. Remember also to go over to the Etsy store and show my friend Melanie some love at S4E Boutique LLC. And one final thing, guys. Remember, God, who created you, he loves you so very much. And guess what? So does this country girl right here. Sure does. Sure do. Be kind to one another, okay? Bye. Max and I are looking out the office window, and it's snowing, you guys. Love the snow. But look at all those little birds. Look at them. Max is looking at all these little birds. I wonder what kind of birds those are. I've never seen so many birds on snow before. They're just running on the top of it. Sorry, the picture's probably not very good because I'm trying to video through a screen. A dark screen, actually. But look at them. Look at all those birds. Crazy, right? It's snowing, guys.